Hello YouTube. Right here is another project that I have right here. It's a 2010 2011 Chevy Silverado. The thing that's wrong with this, it's right here. It's just rust on top of so the windshield is going to be removed, and I'll show you the process on how to fix that, and I'll take you through it. Alright guys, the windshield has been removed. I'll be using some Bondo glass. This is real good to cover little small holes. Let me show you. It's a little small hole. I'm going to clean up the rust and prep it. Just prep it for the Bondo glass and smooth it out. And that's about it. Put some primer on it, some paint, and clear over everything. Everything else is going to be cleared. So I'll take you to the process of doing it. Right here guys, I just grind all the rust that I can see. Well, yeah, all the rust is gone. Right here I'm gonna start sanding with the DA just to smooth everything out over here. That way I can start laying down my my Bondo glass. Right here guys, I'll be using 80 grit just to be roughing up the area so I can start adding the Bondo glass. Trying to keep my area small as to where I'm going to put the Bondo glass. I think that's about it. Here guys, I'm mixing the Bondo glass. Anybody want some ice cream? All right. that's it. I'm just gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes and come back and sand it. Hello guys, as you can see, everything's cleaned up. All I need is to primer it, sand this with 320, then 400. I'm gonna sand the other clear, the good clear, with 600 or 800, just for the clear coat to stick to, and that'll be it. This is almost done, and I'll bring you back whenever I start clearing the top. Alright guys, I wet sanded it with 600. Then I scuffed it down with 800. So I don't want to go too deep. If not, I'm going to be cutting into the clear. But 800 is perfect for the flow coat on top of this clear. This one's already primed, ready to go, so stay tuned. All right, here's the truck already covered. It's ready for paint. Right now, it's about 2 in the morning, so I'll be stopping here. This is I want to say a 2-day paint job. So everything's ready for tomorrow. So I'll be showing you guys how I spray the black and then re-clear coat everything on top, and it'll come out nice. So see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, that's 3 coats of base right there. Right now I'm gonna start shooting the clear. I'm gonna put 3 coats of clear also. So here we go. Alright guys, this is going to be the third and final coat of clear